If you've been trying to find a repair manual for your 2020 KTM or Husqvarna off-road bike but come up empty-handed, I've got good news for you. In a recent video in which I installed the OEM kickstart kit into my 2021 KTM 300 TPI, I mentioned that the repair manuals are no longer available since model year 2020. That information came from my local KTM dealer in response to my request to purchase a repair manual for my 2021 model. He inquired to KTM Japan and they confirmed that the repair manuals are no longer available to customers and only available on their dealer network. So after seeing my Kickstart install video, someone in Australia called Alex contacted me and gave me a heads up that you can actually purchase the repair manuals online. So if you'd like to purchase a manual, go to print.ktm.com and that will take you to this page, and then you enter the details of your motorcycle and the year. So initially I did check and see if 2021 repair manuals are available, but they're not, and I know they're not on the dealer network either because my dealer confirmed that they're not ready yet. So then I entered 2020 and all my model information, and it gave me two manuals, so the repair manual and the owner's manual. I already have the owner's manual, soft copy and hard copy came with my bike as well. But the repair manual you can see there. And then if you click details, it goes to the next screen and gives you options of what you can purchase. So if you're in Europe, you can purchase a printed copy. If you're anywhere else or in Europe, you can purchase a digital copy. And the bundle is both a printed and digital copy version, but only available to customers in Europe. So I purchased the digital version, which allows you to download a PDF of the repair manual, and you can actually download it as many times as you like. You should note that it is watermarked with your name and email address. And the repair manual contains detailed information about overhauling all of the parts of the motorcycle, including engine overhaul and suspension overhaul. So it's a really useful reference document to have if you're working on your motorcycle yourself. And I want to give a big thank you to Alex for giving me a heads up regarding where the document is available from.